To fix the Cash App, please try again later error on your iPhone. Follow these steps. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak or unstable connection can cause the app to malfunction. Try restarting your router or switching to a different network to resolve the issue. Next, check if the Cash App is down. Sometimes, the app may be experiencing technical difficulties or maintenance, resulting in the try again later error. You can check the Cash App status on their official website or social media pages to see if there are any known issues. Another possible cause of the error is an outdated app version. Open the App Store, search for Cash App, and check if there are any updates available. If an update is available, install it and try using the app again. Additionally, clearing the app cache can also resolve the issue. To do this, open the Settings app, go to General, then iPhone Storage, and select Cash App. Tap on Delete Data to clear the cache. If none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Cash App. This will remove any corrupted files and reset the app to its default settings. To do this, press and hold the Cash App icon. Tap on Remove App, and then confirm that you want to delete the app. Then, go back to the App Store, search for Cash App, and reinstall it. It is also possible that the error is caused by a bug or glitch in the app. In this case, you can try contacting Cash App support for assistance. They can provide you with more specific guidance and help you resolve the issue. In some cases, the try again later error may be caused by a problem with your account or payment method. Ensure that your account is verified and that your payment method is valid and up to date. You can check your account status and payment method in the Cash App settings. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Cash App please try again later error on your iPhone. Remember to always keep your app and operating system up to date to prevent similar issues in the future.